GaN power semiconductor technology is disrupting the market in consumer electronics. GaN high-electron mobility transistors are replacing traditional silicon power MOSFETs in products such as USB-C chargers, offering enhanced performance and the capability to radically shrink their size and weight. Unlike its next-generation wide bandgap rival silicon carbide, GaN can offer cheaper and improved solutions at much lower voltage levels. GaN is also finding success at 100-volt in markets such as automotive light detection and ranging, brushless DC motor drives, and DC-DC converters running at 48-volt, becoming the preferred distribution voltage choice for power-efficient data centers. We located the INN40W08 within the Realme GT2 Explorer Master mobile handset. Innoscience has rapidly scaled up production over the past 12 months. In 2022, they claim to have shipped their 100 millionth unit, a first for the gallium nitride industry. Their product range now covers from 40 volts to 700 volts. We completed a GaN power floor plan report in May of 2022 on a product from their 100-volt range, the INN40W08 100-volt 36 milliohm. In February 2022, Innoscience announced the INN40W08, a bi-directional gallium nitride device targeted at mobile devices, including laptops and cellular phones. Is gallium nitride now set to have a similar disruptive impact on the mobile handset? Soon after finding this product in the Realme GT2 Explorer Master, we also confirmed the presence of the next-generation INN40W08A in the OnePlus Ace 2 mobile handset. Keep an eye out for further details.